Kyhighlah venting she fed up.
Casualties of war and problem and violence and destruction. No, like say, oh, you know, yes, you're a woman. Yeah. I mean, say it happen everywhere else. You see, why no can't like people like Sir P, we talk the truth and them people, we talk about where I mean our country where a lot of your favorite influencers them afraid to talk about. A lot of your favorite influencers them would never sit down on them seat and talk this, so me attack right now. Because here what? Them know say them are gonna get backlash, but me don't give a fuck. Me no blood clot care. Every fucking week I look up at the dead in this country. I see them call my grandfather and him basically on the phone him son so emotional. I say, you know, see all the people my target, the little baby them, the little kids them. Pitney are the future and the pitney are dead out. I don't know you come talk about or say it's like I'm in every blood clot. Hey girl, if me see I'm a thump in your face. You brighty? Your blood clot, bright, you don't no blood clot, all blood clot. Get a hood rat cursing that low lives come. Fucking bright. Eh? I mean, say, these things are, let me tell you this. Me go Bahamas from about 2015, 2016. And I can tell you this. When me there Bahamas, the most you'll hear about gun violence. You see, gangs are in the, I think there is Crips in Bahamas, you know, I'm not sure. Anybody correct me. I think there's a set of Crips or Bloods, I'm not sure. You say drugs and gangs in Bahamas is really there. You understand? Them have gangs over there, different set of gangs over there. And them have them local war, them turf war and this and that and them fight. No Crips and Bloods. They have one stone crusher or bone crusher gang of Bahamas, one set of bone crusher or stone crusher or clans or something like that. Them have some set of one specific big gang of Bahamas. Where that is here in Bahamas. Me I remember the name. But yes, Bahamas is known for that. I know say US Bloods, you not listen to me, lady. I know that, you not have to tell me that. I know that because I know people that is a part of that game, but I'm not saying. One order, thank you so much, one order. Them have a set of one order gang of Bahamas. Them have a set of this gang, yeah. Them have a set of that. Them have a set of that. You see, gangs is a thing in Bahamas. Man and man kill them each other, fight over drugs, fight over money, fight over this, fight over turf, fight over danship, fight over that. You hear the man just step on the live, the man say, I look a baby catch in a crossfire shooting. You hear the man say, them rape no pitney and cut them throat. Listen to the man and listen to what the man just say. The man say, no pitney was raped, no throat cut, no baby no fire, no bush, kill and them sort there. Years me I go Bahamas, brother, me going to some dangerous ghetto area and nobody never see me for trouble. Me, I think me can try that certain place. Me can't even walk in peace uptown in a blood clot Jamaica, brother. Me dey all have blood clot Colonga Panama. Me safe. Me can't try that. I mean, I talk it all the time. Me talk it. You understand what I say? Me talk it all the time.